Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to convert rows to column. Okay, so if you want to convert, as you will see, this is I have create an table. Okay, in rows. Okay, now I want to create this list in a column. So how to convert this into column? So this video will show you how to do it. Okay, so this is, here you will see, this is employee name, designation and area. Okay, now I want to convert this into column. Okay, so how to do it? So I'm going to just open a new sheet here. Now here I have to just increase the size. Then what you have to do here, you have to I want to start the column from here. Okay, now you have to just click on equals to, then transpose. Okay, then go to next, and here you have to select all the rows. Okay, then here you have to just bracket close. Now you will see it is converted into column. Okay, so like this you can convert rows into columns. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.